We're the Timezone Junkies, and we're hitchhiking from Turkey to Kyrgyzstan, and we would like you to follow us on our journey. Last year, we hitchhiked 23,000 kilometers from Thailand to Spain.
This year, we will visit 5 of our favorite countries from last year. We will travel through Turkey and Georgia, visit Armenia, a new country for us, travel through Azerbaijan, where we will catch a boat to Kazakhstan, conquer the Kazakh steppe a second time before we reach our final destination, Kyrgyzstan, where we will watch the World Nomad Games in September. And if we have time and money, we would love to visit Uzbekistan and explore the east of Kazakhstan. See you guys on the road. In the last episode, Alex and I had just arrived in Patara, where we visited yet another ancient city and then pitched our tent among the sand dunes on Turkey's longest beach. We were beach bums for 2 days before sticking our thumbs out again to head towards Olympos, yes, another ancient city. Alright, what happened?
We got to Olympos, and to get down to the beach where we wanted to camp tonight, you have to go through the actual ancient city, which costs 20 lira, like €4.
Which is what we wanted to do tomorrow, and if we buy the ticket now, then that's not valid for tomorrow. Then you have to buy a 2-day ticket.
Yeah, which is a bit more expensive.
So now our only options seem to be to do paid accommodation, because I don't want to go through the gates, pay for for 2 days it's not that much more expensive, it's just a couple of euros more, but we would have to walk 4 kilometers to the camping spot.
People are going to be like, 4 kilometers, that's not much of a walk.
We walked a lot today already, and we are naked, and it's getting late, and this man here next to me, I thought he had it figured out. We were supposed to get dropped off at the other side, and we didn't.
Plan. But then the guy we were going with took us all the way here.
And Alex didn't say anything when he turned down here, and I had no clue. So here we go. We don't know what we're doing. We'll see what's happening within the next 10 minutes or so.
We'll get back to you. Hello guys, here we are. We ended up paying for accommodation in, what's the place called?
SABAN TREEHOUSES.
Yeah.
In Olympos.
So we're paying 120 lira for both of us per night, which is about 20 to 24 euros depending on the currency exchange.
We do have dinner and breakfast included in the price. We're actually staying in the wooden bungalow, not in the tree huts. Yeah. So it's quite good. We've got air conditioning then, and we've got private bathroom.
Luxury
For us, that's luxury. So we're probably going to do that for 2 nights, and we decided to use Alex's birthday money for this.
Yeah. We're going to go for dinner very soon, so we will see you later.
Alright, dinner time. It looks good. Luxury for us.
Yeah, we're normally sitting on the floor cooking.
Yeah.
Good morning guys.
Good morning.
We've had a proper chill out morning, had a nice breakfast.
Massive.
Oh, it's very good. Now we've just been hanging out a little bit in the guest house or the bungalow, and we're going to go and check out the ruins. That is Olympos.
Olympos ruins. Yeah. And if the weather stays alright, we will head down to the beach as well, because it's right next to here.
Apparently it's a super nice beach as well, so we're really excited. It's going to be a good day. Let's go.
When we got dropped off at Olympos the day before, The guy at the gate wanted to charge us 20 lira per person. We thought it was a bit pricey and decided to sleep on it, which turned out to be a great decision. At our guest house, the owner told us we could buy a card for only 7 lira, which would give us 10 entries to the ancient park and beach. If you have watched our previous episodes, you know that the Mediterranean coast of Turkey has a marvelous collection of ancient ruins and that most of them belonged to the Lycian Empire, and so did Olympos.
Okay guys, we are in Olympos, this ancient city built by the Lycian people in the Roman period. So it's about 2,000 years old, and these ruins around here are super cool. They're really good condition. This is an old bath, like a hammam style place. There are all these really nice arches everywhere in good condition. And we're just kind of walking around. There's no one here in this part of it. So it's really nice just to stroll around, check out all these ancient ruins and have a place to ourselves. At least it feels like it anyway. You should definitely check it out if you come to Turkey, that's for sure. Because this is the amphitheatre. What an amazing place in the middle of a forest to have an amphitheatre. It's a shame it looks like it's been destroyed by earthquakes, so there's not much left of it. But you can imagine how magical this place would have been to come and watch different plays and whatever else they get up to at that time. It's super cool, super cool. Yeah, wow, check it out.
The ancient city of Olympos is quite overlooked in favour of UNESCO sites of Xanthos and Litoun further up the coastline, which we decided not to visit. We were pleasantly surprised by this mystical and strangely supernatural ancient city because of its setting in a dark, dense forest.
Olympos, it's really cool. It's completely overgrown by the forest. I mean, all the trees are younger than the actual buildings. That's really cool when you think about it. Tree roots with the branches, everything is amazing. We can just walk around here for forever, and it's so nice to have shade from the trees. It's super nice. You should definitely come here. I think this is the place that has impressed me the most so far. It doesn't have the best amphitheater, but just the fact that it's like the forest have completely taken over is so cool.
Alright guys, here we are on top of a mountain. Check out this beach. It is long, it is nice. What an amazing place Olympos is. You guys should definitely come and check it out. It's really cool. Man, the ruins are everywhere. You can just go and explore. It's really nice. So you should guys come here. This is amazing. Look, just look at that beach. Oh, where is it? Down there. Amazing.
Historians are unsure of the exact date when the city was founded, but apparently it dates back to the Hellenistic period. As one of the 6 cities with voting power in the Lycian League, it had a huge importance and status, but the position on the coastline also left it very vulnerable to attacks from pirates.
A a river running beside the ruins and into the sea, is now filled with reeds, but during history it was possible for large ships to sail inland on this waterway route. Eventually the Lycian League was absorbed into the Roman Empire, and Olympus fell under their domain before being abandoned during the 15th century.
Yo, good
Yo.
morning from the Timezone Junkies.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Here we are at SABAN TREEHOUSES in Olympos, Turkey, and we're about to leave. We're a little bit late because our breakfast took a little bit longer than we expected it to. The idea was to head towards a spiritual religious city called Konya, but we don't have a couchsurfing host there, and it's a big city and they don't have hostels, only hotels. So instead we're heading towards a lake in the same direction. It's quite a long journey, so we better get going.
And remember guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Oh, and comment, that'd be great.
And give us
Thank
a
you.
thumbs up.
All
Alright, see you on the road.
See you later, let's go!
Here we are, walking, and I think we will be walking for a while because we're in a part of Turkey where apparently they don't pick up hitchhikers. Even the Turks say so, and they don't know why. We're close to Antalya, and that's where they don't pick up hitchhikers. Only part of Turkey where they don't. Anyway, there are not many cars either, so I don't know how long we're gonna be waiting for.
Look,
What is that?
Film me. Come here.
Alright, let's see what he wants.
Turkish yogurt. Can you zoom in? Can you see it?
A ver.
Turkish ravioli with yogurt sauce.
Not sauce.
Sauce, yes. I don't know what yogurt sauce is. Anyway, let's go.
Okay, so we're at a spot. We're by the junction. We've walked out from Olympos, 3 kilometers. This way behind me goes towards Antalya. That's where we want to go to start with. And from there we need to turn off towards Konya.
Yep. We have to go through Antalya first. So
Yeah.
that'll be interesting. Yeah.
There's a car, so... No, he's turning. He's going into Olympos. I don't think there will be many cars, actually. I think we're going to have a very slow start. That's the feeling I have.
Patience is virtue.
So we'll arrive in the evening.
Often-
Now I got an itch on my foot, so I got to leave.
Can I say something?
If you take the camera.
No. Patience is a virtue often found in hitchhikers. Yes. Hello, here we are in our first ride of the day with Tunjel and Dilip. Yes? Okay, perfect.
And they are taking us to Antalya,
Yeah,
because that's where they are going.
perfect. There you
So
go.
we were lucky we didn't wait very long. We thought we were in for a long wait today, but it turned out alright.
Yeah. Yeah, here they are. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you, dude. Thank you, Tunjel. Yeah. Take care.
Thank you so much. Teşekkürler. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good luck with your camping.
Bye.
Maybe see you in Thailand. You've got WhatsApp.
Take care. You too. Güle güle. Görüşürüz.
Here we are. Oh, mad hair. On the main road, we're going to go and try and get a ride to Beishahir. See you later, guys.
There they go.
Right. So let's walk up a little bit further that way, just to the beginning of the lay-by, and we'll try to get a ride to Beishahir. Let's go.
No ride for us. Potential ride, but I doubt it. I strongly doubt it. Let's see. And that's a ride for us, but I don't know where we're going.
Alright guys, we've got a ride to the direction of Manavgat. I think he's going to drop us off at the junction. This is Mesut. So thank you very much. Let's see how we get on at the next spot.
Bye!
Okay, this is busy. We'll see how we get on here. We've got to go up that road over there in the direction of Manavgat. Yeah, see how we get on.
I think it's the worst spot! Ah! This is a little bit of a sketchy maneuver. Woo! I believe we're in a crappy spot, lots of traffic, getting out of the city. I think if we walk further, it will be even more traffic, I don't know. I don't think we will arrive at our destination today. We might have to rethink and camp somewhere earlier on the way and not by the lake. We will see. Difficult day, city hitchhiking. We love it.
Alright guys, we've got our next ride. We are going all the way to Konya, so that is amazing, perfect. We're so lucky.
So we're getting almost all the way to our destination today,
Yes.
so that's super.
Super. What we got? Some kind of cake. They want me to eat it all. Obviously I can't. It's very nice. And I had a full
Well,
candy.
rewind a little bit.
Rewinding.
So obviously these people are fasting because it's Ramadan,
Yeah.
but we're not, and we got cake. They invited us.
And
Now we're
water.
stopping for water.
Good.
We've stopped and I'm cold. We're on 900 and something meters of altitude,
Yeah.
and yeah, I think we were stretching our legs.
Yeah, it's nice. It's beautiful up here.
Yeah,
Check it out.
exactly.
Let's have a look. Lovely mountains over there. There's even some snow on top.
Change of plans. We're not going to the lake. We've just been invited to go with these lovely people to Konya and have dinner with them tonight and stay there. So yeah, we knew this would happen eventually because it always happens in Turkey at some point, and now it did, so that's very nice. And we're going the scenic route, which actually is going by the lake, I think.
And it's just started to rain a little bit. A little
Yes,
bit of drizzle.
so we're quite happy that we don't have to camp up here now because it's starting to rain. We're ending up camping anyway. Either we had a misunderstanding with the driver and he wanted us to come tomorrow because he said we could camp and he would pick us up tomorrow. So we ended up not by the lake we were going to be because it was raining a lot there, but by a little dam or next to it. It's fenced in, but we have found a little spot, so that will be alright. And I'll get back to you later.
Bye bye.
Stepped out of the car and my eyes started running as if I'm allergic to something, and that's never happened in my life before.
Look at your noses. You can even hear it.
Yeah. It's like I'm crying. I don't know what happened. Like I said, they invited us to come to their house in Konya and then they changed their mind. Don't know why. They're super friendly. Maybe it was the mom and maybe she didn't want to in the end.
Fair enough.
Yeah. It doesn't matter. We got a camp spot. Hopefully it won't rain on us. It's cleared up a little bit. Still some heavy clouds around. It's a bit chillier here. I don't know what altitude we're on.
I think we're about 1,000 meters.
Yes, we're a little bit up, so it's a bit cooler. So we will see if our sleeping bags will do their job tonight or not.
Evet. Yes, we will. Okay, let's go. Set up camp. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment, and most importantly, subscribe.
And don't forget to turn on those notifications.